Fluorescent lamps work by ionizing mercury vapor in a glass tube. This causes electrons in the gas to emit photons at UV frequencies. The UV light is converted into standard visible light using a phosphor coating on the inside of the tube. The starter, which is simply a timed switch, also known as glowing starter. It allows current to flow through the filaments at the end of the tube. The ballast regulates the current to the lamps and provides sufficient voltage to start the lamps. It serves as a current limiter. Theory of operation. As the current flows through the filament, it heats up to a certain temperature and the mercury in the lamps begin to vaporize. In a few seconds, the starter breaks the circuit and causes the ballast to produce high voltage between the filaments.